Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
After a power outage, your PlayStation 5 might act a little strange, but don't panic. The very first step is to be patient and wait a few minutes after the power returns, as this allows the electrical current to stabilize. Then, before doing anything else, gently inspect all your power cables. Ensure they're securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the back of your console itself. A simple, firm reseating can often resolve the issue, getting you back to gaming quickly and safely. If reseating the cables doesn't work, try a full power cycle. Completely unplug your PS5 from the wall for at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in. While doing this, take a moment to closely inspect all your cables, not just the power cord, but your HDMI cable too. Look for any fraying or bends. If you have a spare power cord or a different wall outlet, it's a good idea to test those as well, just to rule out any external power supply problems. Should the power cycle not solve your problem, it's time to try safe mode. To enter safe mode, ensure your PS5 is fully off, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Once in safe mode, navigate to option 5, Rebuild Database. This process organizes the files on your hard drive, which can surprisingly fix many common issues without deleting any of your games or saves. It's a very safe first step for software-related glitches. If rebuilding the database doesn't help, the next step is reinstalling the system software. This is a more significant step that will erase everything on your console, so it's a last resort for software issues. You'll need a USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of free space, formatted to FAT32 or XFAT. Download the latest system software update file from Sony's official website onto your USB drive. Then follow the instructions within safe mode. This process often fixes even the most stubborn software corruptions. Sometimes, despite all your efforts, your PS5 might still not cooperate. If you've tried all these steps and your console still isn't working, or if you hear strange clicking noises or see smoke, it's highly likely a hardware problem. At this point, it's always best to avoid attempting any further do-it-yourself repairs, as this could void your warranty or cause more extensive damage. Instead, contact PlayStation support or take your console to a reputable, certified repair center for a professional assessment and fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.